Hi Smuggy. Hi YouTubers. Hi. So I thought I'd do the close-up stream a little bit early today because we missed doing one yesterday. And I think that makes 2 that we've missed doing this week. I'm so sorry about that. Anyway, I thought we'd start down here with Smokey, just because this is where the camera was at. And I know people are always worried about Smokey when they don't see her for a couple days, but she's doing fine. She's still on her special kidney food diet, and probably will be for the rest of her life. But she's liking it. She actually digs it quite a bit. It's all wet food, and I think she feels like she's a little princess now. All she has to eat is wet food. Yeah, okay, I'll come back. You know, we're going to hang out. I'm here in the office all day with her, usually. Here's a little Figgy. I was hoping we'd see a little Figgy, and she's out here waiting for us. Hi, Figlet. Having a stretch, huh? Hi, cutie pie. What are we doing? So Figlet's going to the vet with me this afternoon to get her travel papers because she's getting adopted this weekend. She's going to her adopter. Oh. And here's Maggie. Maggie still needs an adopter. Hi, Maggie. Oh, yes, I'm talking about you. And your buddy Figlet. I'm sorry, they're getting so close to the camera. It's a little tricky for me to keep them on the film here, but I'll see what I can do. Hey, Figgy, you want to play with this? Hi, Figlet. So, Figlet's going to her adopter this weekend. That's very exciting. And her adopter is obviously a person from the Discord, so we'll get plenty of updates on how Figgy's doing. Maggie's also a sweetheart, but Maggie still needs to find her home. So, as usual, if you guys want to put in an application to it, oh, sorry, a little staticky in here. If you guys want to put in an application to adopt Maggie, then you can do that right on our website, which is kitten.academy. You'll find the application there in the menu. She is a great cat. She's an awesome play. She loves to play, and she's a great mouser. Not that I would recommend having her outside, but if you got a mouse problem in your house, Maggie will solve it. She also gets along great with all the other cats and the dogs. So if you've got other pets, nothing to worry about with little Maggie. Okay, Maggie, I know, you're a sweetheart, and you and I are going to hang out some more, of course, like we do all the time. But for now, I gotta go see the rest of the crew. Maggie Beans! Oh, look, here comes the Logan Bunny. Hey, Logan. You too, you heard me talking down here, huh? Oh, now. She's just trying to play, buddy. I know, Maggie. Okay, we'll find you a home. Don't you worry. Loganberry, I'm going right back upstairs. Okay, let's go. House is kind of a mess. Elsie chewed up a toy and left bits all over. Sorry about that. I didn't clean up for you guys. I never do. Here's the perpetrator of that mess. Hi, Elsifer. Hi. Yes, well, hello. You're a good dog. You got Elsie on joint medication now because she's having a little bit of trouble getting up and down the stairs in her old age. It hasn't had much of an effect yet, but I'm sure it will. Here's our new mom cat, Lorraine. Lorraine, I see you need some more food in your bowl. Lorraine doesn't like to eat the wet food. She just leaves that. But she's just about out of the dry food, so when I'm done with the close-up, I'll have to come back and give her some. The vet said that Lorraine had about 4 weeks, probably, before she was going to deliver. We're guessing sometime around New Year's, maybe. Although I gotta say, there's a part of me that wonders if the vet wasn't just a little bit off in that estimate. I wouldn't be surprised if she delivered a little bit sooner than that. Not that I'm an expert. The vet probably knows better than I do. Yes. Well, you're a sweetheart, though. Look at that. Yes, you are, sweetheart. Okay. She's got a little tiny tail. Look at that little tiny tail. So silly. I know it's silly. Yes, it is. What's up, Lorraine? You've got a belly full of kittens, don't you? Oh yeah, it feels good. You like the belly rubs, don't you? Okay. I'll come back and fill up your food. It's just a couple minutes, okay? Alright. Lots of snow still on the ground. I see Figlet's in the kitchen eating. It's kind of a mess in here. Oh, hi, Acro. Let's take a look at you first. What are you saying? Really? You said it, bud. Figlet's having a little snack. Hey, snack. Hey, snack. I don't know what I'm saying. Figgy. Okay. Okay, Figlet. Oh, and there's Eddie. Let's say hi to Eddie. Hi, Eddie. Little dim over here. Oh, big yawn for us, huh? Taking a nap here in the chair. I think Eddie wants me to rub his belly. Is this what you want, buddy? Alright, well, finally, let's go see the kittens. Boy, it is going to be a... You messed up this rug, Acro. Yeah, you. Alright. It's going to be a big weekend for the adoptions. Yes, it is. Let me see if I can sneak in the other door without letting everybody out here. Let's try that. Everybody panic. Okay, I made it in. Good, good. Good job, okay. So, I was saying it's going to be a big weekend for adoptions, which is true because little Wren here, that's Wren, and Finch, and Gracie are all getting picked up by their adopters, and so is Fig. So that is going to vastly reduce the number of kittens that we have in the kitten room, but we'll still have Budgie here. Budgie still needs an adopter. And we'll still have Chessie. Chessie still needs an adopter. And we'll still have Sassy, who needs an adopter. And we'll still have Cashew, who also needs an adopter, a late arrival. I've been saying that if somebody wants a pair of cats together, that you probably couldn't do any better than getting Sassy and Chestnut together. They're sisters, and they get along great. They play, they snuggle. Really good pair of cats, which is really, if you've got the room and you can afford it, getting two cats together is the best way to go. I'm very clear on that. There's no doubt that it is the way to do it if you can. But they'd also be perfectly happy if they had to go to their homes individually. The important thing is getting them someplace they can spend the next 20 years and just be loved. That's what we're really out for. Oh, speaking of how they like to play, there you go. You don't have to take it out on Gracie. Finchy, I'm gonna miss your little cartoon face when you get adopted this weekend. Hey, you still look like a cartoon cat to me. Little Finchy bean. Is that a purr from you, Finchy? Well, I can't think of much else to share about news today. Just the big adoptions going on this weekend. And our kittens that still need adoptions. That's really all that's important. Oh, hi. Cashew's getting along a lot better with everybody in the room. Really starting to come into her own. She's got the softest fur. So soft. Yes, you do. You are still having a little trouble getting used to the new kid, aren't you? Wow, they're going nuts right now. Everybody's going nuts. Well, as usual, if you want to keep watching these kittens even though this close-up stream is over, all you have to do is check them out at the regular Kitten Academy live stream right here on YouTube. Or check our website, kitten.academy. You can also apply to adopt there and see a lot of great pictures. I think they're great. I took them, so I should think so, right? Yes. I think they're okay. As usual, let me say thanks to you for being you and for watching us. And especially thanks to those of you that put in applications to adopt the kittens. We don't approve those or even see them really. Those all go to On Angel's Wings. So whether they approve you or not, we sure appreciate you giving it a try. I think most people get approved. I don't really know. They don't normally tell us what's up until somebody is approved, and then they're like, oh, by the way, this kitten's been adopted. And they're like, oh, that's great. So if you did apply for one of the kittens I said still need adopters, and you haven't heard back yet, it's not because I'm saying you didn't get it. It's just because I don't know yet. So that's about it. Sorry for all this backlighting. I know it makes it really hard to see what's going on, but that's where the kittens are. Anyway, all right, thanks for tuning in, everybody. We'll try to do this again tomorrow, even though our track record for this week is not so great. And in the meantime, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great night. Chessie. Hey, Chessie. Oh, bye, Chessie.